we're heading to the Ruby House here in Keystone. So this is the Ruby House. It's actually a restaurant and a bar combined, but it's kind of cool on the streets of Keystone. And as we walk along, the bikes are lined up here in Keystone. This is just down the road from Mount Rushmore, and we're going to be heading over to Custer, our next stop, and then over to Hill. But check it all out. They got the roar, the roll, and the thunder here in Keystone. We got the Yellow Bird right here. So come follow us, everybody, as the bikes roll in off 16A in the city of Keystone. Give you a nice overview of the town as we make our way down the walkway here, picking up the bikes, the little town behind us. Great looking spot, everybody. Heading down to the train station, Town, ice cream and fudge. And we found the train station. Kind of neat. Round trip, one ways. Come ride with us. The old train station of Keystone, South Dakota, riding the Black Hills. And give you a little idea of the loading station, the tracks, 1880 train that runs here, and they still got the historic place here and the train running from 1893. And a nice overview, everybody, the town of Keystone, located in the valley. I'll try and do a nice little overview here for you. So come join us as we ride the Black Hills with motorcycles and poker adventures. All aboard, everyone. Let's ride. A lot of riders, a lot of bikes, a lot of restaurants, a lot of activities, a lot of souvenirs. Kind of a cool place to enjoy the afternoon. So come join us in the streets of Keystone. And even got helicopter rides here around the end. Come enjoy, everybody. Part of the Old West here in Keystone, South Dakota, for Sturgis Bike Week. Just another city to enjoy. We're heading to the Red Garter Saloon for lunch, everybody. So come join us. We're walking to the bar, the saloon, like the Old West. We'll get a nice overview of the stage. The chandeliers, kind of cool. The full bar, live entertainment, nice set of guns on the wall. So come follow us at the Keystone Saloon here in Keystone.
Thirsty.
And we got a hot bartender here. You got Ciparella here, sir?
Sarsaparilla, and I'll spike it with a bourbon cream.
There you go, just like the Old West. But now they got real cash registers taking in big money.
Yeah.
No pieces of 8 here. But nice looking bar. So check out the bar, everybody. Really cool.
Oh, yeah.
We got Millie down here in Keystone at the Saloon in Keystone, having a great time. Great ambiance around us. We got JR here playing on his telephone like normal, not enjoying the destination. He's not enjoying the destination like he should be. And we are in this saloon having a great lunch, and I am gonna order some buffalo stew. And Millie, what did you have to say?
Look at all the beautiful pictures in the background.
Check the pictures out, everybody. They're from the late 1800s. We even got the working girls on the wall. I love it. So come follow us. Motorcycles and Poker Adventures. And we got Juan here from Colombia.
Olivia.
Good afternoon, guys.